Connor, did you make cookies? What's in your mouth?
Cookie.
Cookies. Where's the star? Did you make the star? Do you see the star one? That's Santa or Snowman.
Cookie. Cookie monster. Alright, more cookies coming up.
Oh, are they done?
2 seconds.
Because we're ready for them.
Oh,
Oh, how many are you gonna eat?
A lot.
Is it good?
It's not good?
It's hot.
So it's above room temperature.
This is a Christmas tree.
Mama.
What? Does that taste good? There. What's coming out of the oven? More cookies? Yeah.
More cookies for Connor.
Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Connor, I got your